English for all learners. Future simple tense. We form the future simple tense with subject plus will plus verb. I will ride my bicycle on Sunday. In everyday conversations, we usually use short forms: I'll, you'll, he'll. It'll be a nice day tomorrow. I hope they'll come next week. I'm sure we'll have a great time. We form questions with will plus subject plus verb. Will you come to my birthday party tomorrow? We form negative sentences with subject plus will plus not plus verb. I will not go to the concert next week. In everyday conversations, we usually use short forms: I won't, you won't, he won't. We won't come to the meeting next Saturday. I won't waste your time. She won't accept the offer. When do we use the future simple tense? To express opinions about the future. I think it will snow tomorrow. For decisions at the moment of speaking. Okay, I'll come tomorrow. For offers and promises. No problem. I'll help you next Monday. The future simple tense usually goes with verbs such as believe, hope, think, and expect. I believe we will win the next game. I hope she will come to the party tomorrow. We think this will happen again. They expect things will get better next year. If you want more practice, watch the next video on our channel, Future Simple Tense Quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.